Hello everyone, welcome to this episode, how to add plugins and online basemap to QGIS in the series of GIS and remote sensing. In this series, brought to you by the Faculty of Forestry, the University of British Columbia. I'm Haitao Li. QGIS is the most popular open source GIS application. QGIS provides basic functions for users. The QGIS community around the world developed tools to cover almost everything we want. For example, if we want to convert a map to a web map, we can use QGIS to web, and here give the detail about the plugin. And if we want to work with the LiDAR, and here have some plugins that we can choose. We just search by the keyword LiDAR. Sometimes the plugins is not a single user tool. Some of them are combined of the multiple functions, such as QGIS. It includes lots of functions here. And for the plugins, the most useful plugin is processing. In most cases, it's default installed here. And this plugin includes the most popular spatial analysis functions. How can we install and manage the plugin? Let's try to install a plugin called QMS. Search the keywords or name, select the plugin, and then click the install button. Close. And it's show up here. If we want to add any base map from NAS or OpenStreetMap, we can just click, and also you can select from here. For example, if we want to add a base map from Google Image, and now we choose this one. It works. QMS is not the only option. Another we can do is use Python codes to add basemap. Just go to plugin, open the Python editor, and then click show editor. Go over here, then we will go to a website to copy a Python code. It's here. Just check the link, it's below the video. Copy the code from beginnings to the end. Paste on the editor. Over here, go to hit run. You can see under the XYZ tile, list lots of the base map. And we can just drag in any data that we are interested in. For example, this one, ocean. Here, it works very well. QGIS has a web page for Python plugin. This web page are not just duplications or list from QGIS. You may find more helpful information on this web page, such as the plugin's quality. You can go to the features, or maybe you are interested about the developer stage, so you can check the new plugin or update the plugin or experimental. If you are interested about how popular it is, you can go to this page. And here list the download number. And based on this information, we can decide which plugins we're going to download. On the top of the list, here are the two plugins, OpenLay plugin and Quick Map Service or QMS. Both of them provide the base maps to QGIS. And the OpenLayer plugin are more popular than the second one. However, we notice that the latest updated date is back to 2018, and quick map servers still keep updated in this year. Based on this information, definitely, so we're going to choose this one. This plugin brings more possibilities to use QGIS. When you are looking for a solutions for your QGIS project, it is worth to spend some time to do research on these plugins. And thanks for your watching. Please contact us if you have any question.